Are you frustrated trying to set cruise control, only for nothing to happen? You're not alone. Let's break down what could be wrong. First, check the obvious. Is your check engine light on? If yes, cruise control is automatically disabled until the issue is fixed. Next, make sure you're driving above 25 miles per hour. On most Equinox models, cruise won't engage at lower speeds. Now look at the brake lights. Sometimes, a stuck or faulty brake light switch tricks your car into thinking you're pressing the brakes so cruise control won't turn on. Tap the brakes and see if the lights respond properly. Also, check your fuses. Find the fuse box usually under the hood or near the driver's side dash. Look for the fuse labeled Cruise or CC. If it's blown, replace it with the same type and rating. Don't forget the buttons. If the on or set buttons are worn out, cruise won't activate. Try pressing each one firmly sometimes, it's just a sticky button. Still stuck? Cruise control problems can also be caused by wiring issues or a faulty speed sensor. At this point, it's best to see a trusted mechanic. So next time your Chevy Equinox cruise control isn't working, run through these quick checks. You might save yourself a trip to the shop and keep that road trip rolling.